In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to start lecture number 9, medical terminology level 1. We are going to discuss today the title of the lecture, sense organs. We are going to start with the first organ. We discuss here 3 organs. The eye. As I told you before, we'll discuss the rows, then we discuss some cases and abbreviation. The meaning: eye, ophthalm, or ocle, or opt. And you can add a suffix or a prefix for this term. Then eyelid, that we call it bladder. Then carinae, that you see core or bubble. Ears, that you see ear or eared. Vitreous, that you see humor. Sclera, that you see scholar. Retina, that you see retin. Optical nerves, that we see lacran or lacrum. This is just only the diagram here. You are going to see it, and it's more clear for you. Then the second step here, we're talking about diagnosis. We have so many kind of diagnoses here. We have 3 cases here. You can say them and explain them. What's the meaning of them in English? We have 3 that you see anaphylolemia, that you are going to explain it. We have retinal. Then we're talking about here aphakia, and that you see keratitis. You will explain them here. For example, inflammation of the carinae. Then after that, we have an exercise 13. Write the meaning of each of the following word rows. We have retin. What's the meaning in English to explain it? Core. Then bladder. Then you have ophthalm. Here L is a silent because E and M, and it's between them. Obia and eared. You will explain them in English, and they are in your charts. Then the second one here, we are going to discuss here the ear meaning. Wrote ear mean out or. It has 2 meanings. That we see mastoids, that mean mastoid, the same meaning, a process. A middle ear, or that we call eardrum, that we see tamban or tambano. And here we have a diagram to explain those things for you. Then the second one here, we'll discuss about diagnosis: ear, nose, and the throat, that we see ENT. That we have some terms here. We are going to read them, like otoates media, that we see sanguitis. Then that we see otolgia. You will just only write the meaning of this and analyze them. Another step here, we have abbreviation for this, the abbreviation and the meaning, like for example myop, that mean myopia. Of mean ophthalmology. VA mean visual acuity. VAF, that visual field. OD, right eye. OS, left eye. This is just abbreviation. O, that's mean eye, and you have D for the right and S for the left. ENT, that we see ear, nose, and throat. HD, that we see hearing, distance. ED, right ear. ES, left ear. And also we have ED, that we see right ear. The second one, the skin. The skin here, it has just only 6 terms. Like a skin, it has so many meaning, like cutaneous, derm, or dermat, or pel. Then here we have epidermis. That means dermis, or just a dermis. That's the term of it. Dermis, that means dermis also, the same in Latin and English. Subcutaneous, that means subcutaneous tissue. Muscles, they mean my or myo. And the diagram here to explain it and make it more clear for you. Then the second one here, the abbreviation for this, that we see BX mean biopsy, subcutaneous, dermatology, STD, skin test does. EL mean local anesthetic or anesthesia. SCT, skin test. SCTU, skin test unit. Then the last here, you have exercise 14, circle the correct word. You have here multiple choices. You can choose them and circle them as exercise or assignment at home. Thank you very much for listening. عجل